This is a biology experiment on the road to alternative fuels, fermentation and biofuels. Okay. Grass, cornmeal, glucose syrup, wood clippings. So there's 1 teaspoon of each, and with each 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and each 50 milliliters of warm water. And we're going to need to observe them for about 15 minutes. Okay, we are now at the 2-minute mark. Okay, we are now at the 3-minute mark. We are now at the 4-minute mark. We are now at the 5-minute mark. We are now at the 6-minute mark. We are now at the 7-minute mark. Okay, I didn't come back in time for the other one, but this is the 9-minute mark. Okay, we are at the 10-minute mark. This is the 11-minute mark. 11. This is the 12-minute mark. This is the 14-minute mark. All right, 15 minutes has passed by. Let's take a close look.